If you are looking for free bridging software to submit your VAT online, then you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to look at how to submit your VAT easily using the figures from a spreadsheet. If you have not yet installed IceLedger on your system, I suggest you search for IceLedger and download a copy. There is a separate video to help you with the installation process. I have put a link in the description below. Once you have IceLedger installed, start the program. Log in using IceLedger as both the username and the password, all in lowercase and no spaces. Now go to Settings, Configurations, Details, and enter your company VAT number and click Apply. If you wish, you can enter all your company details, but they are not required to submit your VAT return. Before you can submit your VAT digitally, you must first inform HMRC that you are ready to submit your VAT digitally. You can search for Sign your business up for making tax digital for VAT. Ignore any listings for adverts and find the first result for www.gov.uk. This should take you to the appropriate HMRC page. I will leave a link to this page in the description below. Once you're on this page, scroll down to and click the button Sign Up Now and follow the on-screen instructions. You will need your Government Gateway ID and password to complete the process. Once you have completed this process, you will have to wait for HMRC to confirm that you can submit your VAT digitally. This may take a number of days. Once you have completed the registration process, you will need to authorize IceLedger as your software for submitting your VAT. To do this, go to Currency and Tax, check the option for Digital Tax and enable MTD Bridge. Click the Apply button again to save the new settings. Click Authorize. This will take you to the HMRC website. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete your HMRC registration. Again, you will need your Government Gateway ID and password to complete the process. To check if the authorization process has completed successfully, go to the Nominal and select VAT Return. If the authorization process has not completed, you will get this message: Authorization has been denied or not granted. As I am using a dummy VAT registration number, this is normal and I will not be able to make an actual submission. I just want to show you the process involved in submitting your VAT. You can click on the link to view a sample VAT spreadsheet. If you are using some accounting software, then there may be an option in the program to export the VAT report to either a .csv file or an Excel spreadsheet. The Excel spreadsheet can be in any format whatsoever. The crucial bits to note are the Excel cell references where the different VAT box figures are saved. For example, Box 1 figures are in cell H22, Box 2 in H23, Box 3 in H24, and so on. Although the box figures in this spreadsheet are all close together in a single column. The box figures in your spreadsheet can be anywhere. We just need each box cell reference. Here you just need to enter the Excel cell reference for the different VAT boxes in your spreadsheet. If your HMRC authorization has completed, click on the currently open entry to select it for submission. Now, select your spreadsheet using the button with 3 dots, and then click on the Import button. If you have entered the correct Excel references, your VAT figures should appear in the correct box on screen. Once you have made sure that these figures are correct, click the Submit button to display the declaration box. Read and accept the submission declaration before submitting your VAT return. That is all there is to it. You can check the status of your submission in the list below. Sometimes there is a delay, in which case, close the screen and check again another time. Congratulations! Now that you have submitted your first VAT, check out the other videos in the series to explore the rich functionality of IceLedger, which is a comprehensive account system that includes stock control. IceLedger is currently on offer for free. Yes, you heard it right. It's absolutely free, with no hidden costs and no annoying adverts. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video useful, then please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notification of new videos.